Hey there mga may loves, Pisces! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng inyong October 2023 reading, reminders na hindi ito for all. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender details. So by lalaki, LGBT, crosswatcher, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So, without further ado, let's begin and let's see what we have here for your October 2023 Pisces. So, Virgin Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for Pisces, please, for the month of October 2023? What do we have here for my lovely Pisces right here for the month of October 2023? Parang may mangiistorbo sa inyo rito, no? And this person could have ghosted you in the past. So, magbabalik rito ang mga multo kahit na October pa lang ito, November yun. So, mukhang November, no? Meron na rito magbabalik na taong nang ghost sa inyo in the past. Okay. You could be a teacher, you're a mentor right here, or you could be someone as a good communicator or baka advisor ka. Okay? So, just take out this resonates. Okay. Marami kang natutunan, yun mga mahal, no? Sa experiences mo dito sa life. Yeah. So, nakikita ko rito, nakakaharapin mo yung nang-go sa'yo, no, sa isang matalinong pamamaraan. Yeah. So, we have here the Dead Sea. Ghost it is. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, that someone here from the past will come back right here. Yun, nang go sa inyo yan, nang iwan sa inyo, or iniwan rito, no, napatay ang inyong emotions at damdamin, no, or to the point na parang iniwan kayong lagpak at lagapak sa lupa. Kung sino man yan, makikita nyo siyang muli, no, on the month of October. Yeah, this is someone who ghosted you. Yeah. And with the real estate right here, nakita ko dito mga babes, no, na yung iba, this is very specific right here. Yung iba kasi mga babes, no, pwedeng lilipat kayo ng bahay, or iba literal na nag-purchase ng new house right here para makalimot sa mga nakaraan, no. Or kayo ito mga babes, no, na meron kayo ritong marireceive, no, na something inherited, no, from someone here na pwedeng family member, yan, no, pwedeng very specific yun. So, pwedeng may ma-receive kayo, no, after some kind of pagpanaw ng isang loved one dito na may matatanggap kayong something inherited. Could be a house or could be something here that this person owns, yan, no. So, that's very specific. Okay, hindi yun para sa lahat mga mahal, no. Pero most likely, in general, nakukuha ko rito, may pag-alis, no, this is you mga babes, no, lilipat ka literal ng bahay para makapagsimula ka na ng bago, no, kasi niisip mo, dami mga alaala dyan sa bahay na yan, no, ayaw mo nang maalala. So, this is you literally living a new life right here. Yung iba literal na magta-travel, papakalayo-layo dito, magsisimula ng bagong buhay, yan. Yung iba naman, nakikita ko dito that if it is a love relationship na natapos, I can see you here na meron na kayo ditong bagong kakonek at mukhang malapit na kayo ditong magsama together. Yung iba magle-live-in, or yung iba, no, pwedeng malapit na rin kayong sagutin ng person na yan. Yeah, I can see you right here din nabubuhay muli, no, ang iyo ritong parang puso, no. Merong isang tao dito nakikita darating sa buhay mo, and probably on the month of October, sa iba dumating na yan, no. Pero iba parating pa lang, no. So, itong tao na to, no, ang bubuhay at magsi-CPR sa puso mong pinatay ng ex mo. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up. See? Conflict is right here. Nakikita ko rito mga babes, no. Sa iba, na literal na yaman yan. Pag-aawayan yan. Pero sa'yo yan mapupunti. So, wala silang laban dyan because I'm seeing some kind of a law, document, paper right here. So, yan. That's very specific of you, ikaw, if ikaw to, no, na nanonood dito, and you're having Pisces in your chart, or you're dealing with Pisces, or if this is you, na alam mong meron ka ritong yaman na makukuha, or bahay, no. Pag-aawayan yan, pero wala mangyayari kasi ikaw yung nakalagay doon, ikaw yung nakalagda doon sa kasulatan na yun. Yan, no. Pero for most of you guys, okay, kasi hindi yung case ng lahat, parang isa, dalawa lang dito sa ano na to yung may makukuha ritong something precious, no, sa isang yumaong loved ones, no. So, pwedeng yun yung malalaman mo this October. Pero yun nga, most likely, okay, so you're releasing conflicts here with your life in general, starting your life anew. Parang this is your new home, new life, yan, no, para sa'yo. Yan. At alam mo na hindi ka. Kasi, mga Pisces, this is you, may pagka-sensitive kayo mga mahal, and you know that. Yan, no? Kaya may mga Pisces na mga friends, may pagka-introvert sila. Yeah, although they're talking with other people, pero they love being alone, but not lonely. Yan, no? And this is you, alam mo sa sarili mo na makatutulong kung talagang literal, nalilipat ka ng bahay para makamove forward, especially kung traumatic or something tragic no yung ginawa ng person na yun sa inyo. And that's what I'm seeing right here. There's RIP and there's that what's this? Ano yan sa Tagalog? Lapida, no? So, ibig sabihin talagang literal na tragic yung ginawa ng tao na yun sa buhay mo, no? Na pwedeng binuhusan mo na nga ng pagmamahal, no? Pero binuhusan ka rito ng graba. Yung puso mo binuhusan ng graba rito, no? Nakikita ko rito. So, yeah. And we have here the imagination. Yeah, this is you. Nabubuhay ulit dito mga babes, no? Yung mga pangarap mo. Nagsisimula ka ulit rito na mangarap, no? Yan, no? Mga dinosaurs na yan. Hindi na yan nabubuhay ngayon, no? In our 3D world. Pero this is you. Ibig sabihin, your imaginations are wild. This is you, no? Nagsisimula ka ulit mangarap, no? Nagsisimula ka ulit rito na lumakas yung confidence mo. Tumaas rito yung passion mo, no, na ito pa rin dito mga pangarap mo, especially if you're connecting here with someone. Kung sino yun, healthy siya sa buhay mo. Kasi nagdadala siya rito ng support, no, at positive energy, no? Parang nasi-share niya yun sa inyo. See? This is something to do with commitment. Hindi ka na rito nag-i-struggle kasi parehas na kayo rito eh. Okay? Parehas na kayo ritong nilalaban tong commitment na to. So, yung iba, marami-rami sa inyong kukunik kayo sa bagong energy rito na parang bubuhayin ang inyong pinatay na puso ng inyong past. Yun na nakikita ko rito, Pisces. Yeah. We're connecting here with someone you see. This could be younger than you but doesn't have to be with the Page of Cups energy. Okay. Tell me more for my Pisces out there. Messages for their October 2023, please. What is this moon all about? What's this secret all about? Nakita ko kasi yung moon. Oh, sikretong malupit tungkol sa inyong trabaho, mga mahal. Yun ang nakikita ko rito. Ano man yung pinag-i-investa ninyo. Meron man kayo rito parang ginagawa, no? Sa pera ninyo, na alam ninyo na ikalalago ng pera ninyo. Push! Okay? Gawin mo na yan sa October. Huwag mo na yan pag-isipan kasi mukhang matagal mo na pinag-iisipan with the 7 of coins. Tuloy mo na yan sa October kasi nakikita ko magbubunga yan. Yeah. Magbubunga yan ng pera. See? Spirits are saying that with the Chariot, go, 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 push, push, push. Yan, no? See? Kasi magbubunga na yan, mga mahal, no? At ang ganda ng pasok ko rito talaga. Hey, sabi ko sa inyo, celebration, no? Sakto sa holiday season, no? This is you, marami kayong magiging, mas marami kayong magiging handa. Mas masagana ang inyong pagpasok ng Kapaskuhan at bagong taon for you guys. Tuloy-tuloy nyo na yan. Push, push, push. Ibig sabihin, the universe is at your side right here. Yeah, because I can see that you're obsessively thinking about that. And yeah, look at this. Abundance. It will bring you abundance. Yeah. So, yun na nga yun. Diba? Okay. Alright, let's see more. See? Anong sabi ko? Queen of Coins energy. This is you here. Okay? Holding that this is you, no? Holding that big coin na mas malaki pa sa face mo. So, ibig sabihin, this is you sitting here on your throne. Money is coming in. Whatever it is that you've invested so much, no? Or meron kang iniisip dyan na business or kung ano yung pinagkakakitaan or pag-i-investan mo, go. Kasi nakikita ko rito that you are being guided, no? To receive that abundance in you. Yeah, and you do not see that there's someone here coming towards you. Yeah, someone here. This is not your ex, no? Kasi ito yung ex mo, iba yung energy niya. Excuse me, dumighay lang. So, nakita ko rito, Pisces, no? That there's someone here approaching you. There's someone here that pwedeng this energy to some of you. Okay, this is someone here who could be naguluhan siya, no? Parang nagkaroon ng confused dito sa attention na nakuha niya in the past, no? Either ikaw yun or siya, basta may naguluhan rito, no? To the point na walang natuloy dito na relationship. So ngayon nakikita ko that this person right here is coming back around, and okay, let's see what's gonna happen next between you guys. Kasi walang nag-unfold sa inyo nun eh. Kasi nakuha yung attention niya ng ibang tao nun. Or ano ba yung ginagawa niya nun? Either ibang tao yung nakakuha ng attention, or meron siya rito pinagkaabalahan before. Ganon, no? So, maaring dito na matuloy, mga babes, no, ang connection ninyo na naudlot. Yan, no? So, baka ito na rin, mga babes, no, yung energy rito na sinasabi makakonect ninyo kung hindi pa man din lumarating to sa buhay ninyo. I think there is some kind of second chance right here. And this is someone here na hindi kayo nagkaroon ng connection. Naudlot. Yun. No? So, someone here. Yeah! Whoever it is that you're connecting right now, you're seeing a family, you're starting a family with that home, no? See, kung meron kayong kakonect dito, that is someone here that gonna stays with you all your life. Yeah, this person is with you through storms, through sunny days right here, and there's always rainbow after the rain. Dito nang iiwan, no? Umalan, bumagyo, yan, no? Gumuhuma ng mundo, yan. So, whatever the case may be, parang mali yung tono ko. O basta familiar sa inyo yung kanta na yun, no? So, sino man tong person na to, this person is seeing you as someone here as a perfect fit rin sa kanyang life. Yeah, and this person here, okay? Kasi you want someone who's stable, okay? Sa kanya ritong trabaho at sa emotions and feelings. So, dito kayo nakakakita tayo, mga babes, no, nang meron talaga rito na parang mas older or mas younger, no? Pero hindi naman ganun kalayo right here. And I can see right here that there is some kind of a competition right here, okay? Sa work mo, okay? Or dito, may mga conflicts tayo nakakakita rito. Pwedeng meron din kasi dito mga epal, no? Kung trabaho to, may mga gusto rin siguro ng posisyon mo, or may mga gusto rin ditong pumapil, no? So, nakikita ko dito na hindi ka naman nagpapa-apekto, no? You're just giving these people right here a dead maluk, no? Hindi ko nakikita nakikipag-away ka, pero you're just doing here your own business. Yan. If this is something here about the relationship, ang daming chuchu, ang daming mga lorna na nag-uusap-usap rito, no? Kasi nga, nakita nila dito, no? Pwedeng itong mga lorna na to, makakilala ka nila matagal na, no? Syempre, dami nilang kudana. Ay, alam mo kasi, no? Gumanda yung buhay, mga ganun. Or parang, ay, tinan mo siya, oh. Ano kaya yan? Seryoso kaya yung pagmamahal na yan na nakukuha niyo dun sa tao na yan? Parang hindi naman mare, no? Hoy, magsiuwi nga kaya kayo doon at bumili kayo ng Tide taba. At maglaba kayo. Yan, no? Sinikita ko rito na ganyan. Okay? Yung nakukuha ko more likely, no? Yung parang, pwede kasi iba sa inyo, tagal yung naging single, no? Tapos itong mga tao na to, no, na matagal kayo ritong pinagmamasdan kasi wala sila magawa sa sarili nilang mga lives, no? Sila to na ngayon ka na nga lang nagka-love life, pinag-usapan ka pa. See? Kita ko dito. Yeah, see? Blessings are coming into your life, and this person here, for you singles, no, na pwedeng naudlot ang inyo, na meron dito nakikita ritong pagdugtong ng connection sa pagitan ninyong dalawa, at ito na simula ng pag-ibig. Yeah, that is the person here na makakasama mo na rin sa lifetime. Kasi this bird right here, no, got my attention. Okay? Yan yung kalapati na pinalilibat sa kasal. So, whatever the case may be, regardless of your religion, it's marriage. I'm seeing marriage between you guys. At it's overflowing love for each other. This person is coming in with blessings at kasabay ng pagpasok niyo sa buhay mo. Healing and a lot of doors of opportunities. Healthy options around you. Yan, nakikita ko rito, Pisces, no? Yeah, whether you're connecting with this person already or whether this person is coming into your life, this is the person here. Okay? Na pagpasok niya rito, dun mo mararamdaman, no? Na ito na talaga yung hinihintay mo. Kasi parang feeling mo, you're lucky. Tapos yung swerte, dumadating pa sa buhay mo, sa trabaho, sa pera right here, no? Yun yung simula rito. Ito na yun, no? Yung new life na hinahangad mo. Yeah. And we have here healing. Yun na nga, Four of Swords energy. See? Nakalagay na, no? Sa wall yung tatlong espada rito, no? And this tatlong espada rito, no, is yung pagtatraidor, no? Yung iba in-involve talaga sa third party na tao ng inyong person in the past, no? Pero wala na. Healed ka na ron, no? I can see you closing that chapter. Sarado na bintana mo rito sa kung sino man dito yung nanakit ng damdamin mo kasi bukas na rito, no? Ang buong ikaw sa new person na to. See, and I'm seeing you working in this type of relationship with this person right here. Wow! I love it. You found the one for you, Pisces. Yeah. Love it, guys. So, hingi tayong advice. Yeah. See, nabigyan ko ulit dito ng pagkakataon na magmahal at mahalin ulit. Yeah. So, let's see. Advices for my Pisces right here. Advices. Advice for my Pisces. Okay. Yusin natin. Ito lang talaga sa channel na to, no? Ang magulo. Ang mesa. So, advice for you, Pisces, in this situation is definitely romance blooming here. Yeah. Ito, soul-to-soul connection. There's love in here. There's seeing each other eye to eye, perfect balance in this type of connection. These two people right here is really seeing through each other's deep soul. Yan, oh. So you could have strong past life connection with whoever is this for others na hindi mo pa ito nakikilala. See, blurred pa yan kasi malapit mo na siyang makilala. At pagka malapit na, since malapit na yung October, mga mahal, ilang tembot na lang, no? This is something here na marireveal sa inyo. Yeah, romance is blooming definitely. And as for help from others, it means that you could probably meet this person right here through blended family, friends that you treat as a family, old friends, no, yan, mga high school friends, maaari makilala mo yan sa mga yan, or mga tropa kills mo nung college, no, or mga dati mo pang mga katrabaho dyan. Nakuha ko rito ng parang old mga friends mo yung magiging daan para makilala mo yung mga yan. Yeah, and you don't need to worry because see, abundance is coming in. There's lots of passion, confidence, claim right here. At nakikita ko rito, no, na magkakaroon ka na ulit rito ng talagang makikita mo na may meaning na ulit ang mabuhay sa earth. Yan, nakikita ko sa'yo. Kasi, see, oh, first thing dito is death. It's like pinatay rito, no, ng mga pinagdaanan mo in the past, no, yung ikaw. Pwede kasing dating masayahin ka, tapos naging lungkutin ka na, bugnutin ka, hindi ka na lumalabas, no. Pero wala na, nakikita ko nagbabago yun, nag-heal ka na, at nakikita ko nagsisimula ka na ulit bumangon rito. Yeah. So, there's no time limit right here, mga may loves, no. Nakikita ka na umaahon rito. I'm so proud of you. Continue doing that, and I'm really happy right here that you're achieving here. Ang importante yung nilalaman ng puso mo. Ang importante yung magaan na yung pakiramdam mo. Okay? Continue healing yourself because I can see, okay, that you're about to receive here the life that you deserve. Okay? So, thank you so much, Pisces. Sarang I love in life. Annyeong!